On this episode, we're making a T-Rex treasure box. Let's start off with a simple wooden box and a slab of Super Sculpey. Use the box and a craft knife to cut out your clay. Coat the surface of your box with oven-baked clay adhesive. Now attach the clay to the box. Make sure to push firmly onto your clay with your fingers. That way you can squeeze out any air bubbles. We want our box to look nice and neat, so let's clean off the edges with our craft knife. Let's use a little elbow grease and our craft table to get an even thickness around our box. Want to add a pretty texture to your box? Just take an old piece of lace and press it into your clay. Now it's time for us to sculpt the T-Rex. Let's start off with an egg shape. I start off by marking my facial features onto the clay. Oops, I forgot to tell you to pre-bake your box. That way you don't distort your work with your hands. I sculpt the eye by putting a little ball of clay inside the eye socket. Then I use 2 clay noodles, one on top and one on the bottom, to make the eyelids. Let's make this T-Rex look fierce. I'm adding a thick noodle of clay over the eye to make a really pronounced brow bone. Let's make a neck. I'm just going to pinch this piece of clay with my thumb and my index finger, and that's it. I want my T-Rex to have some deep set eyes, so I'm making some little adjustments. To make some eye bags, just draw some crescent shapes with your ball stylus. See the jawline right here? Let's bulk it up with a real thick clay noodle. Create soft lines and textures in your clay? Place a piece of plastic wrap over your sculpture and draw with your small ball stylus. This is a good technique for creating wrinkles and reptile skin. Let's add a little bit more texture by putting some spots on this T-Rex. Let's add her teeth. She's looking so good. Now all we have left to do is attach the head to the box. Let's add in a few more neck wrinkles and blend her into the box. Let's add some roses and some vines to decorate our box. I know, I sort of rushed through these. In the near future, I promise I'm going to make a step-by-step tutorial on how to make roses. It's time to paint. Apply thin washes of acrylic paint to your sculpture and slowly build up the color. I'm going to paint this T-Rex green. Let's paint this T-Rex green. I'm going to start off with my lightest shade of green first. Now add your shadows with a darker shade of green. I'm going to go ahead and paint the eye yellow. Add just a touch of pink to the snout. Let's finish off by painting the T-Rex's teeth an off-white color. I wanted to save some time, so instead of painting, I decided to make a Skinner blend. my Skinner blend didn't come out very good. So I just crumpled up my clay and ran it through the pasta machine one last time. This wasn't the look I was going for, but I think it turned out better than I had originally planned. Thanks so much for joining me on another crafting adventure. I look forward to making more crafts with you on the next episode of Crafting with Ursa.